Hi, this is an NA era. The lock we have today is a DOM camlock. I got this lock from actually a freebie when I bought some pick to Moki. If you're trying to find some decent picks, fairly cheap, good pick, you can contact Moki at Discord, Lock Pickers United. So this DOM camlock is a 5-pin lock. I believe this lock have some master pins in it, but fairly easy to open lock. So we are going to try to pick this, open this, and after that we're going to uh, got this lock so we could see what's inside. So we're going to tension bottom of the keyway clockwise. So let's start picking. Let's start on the back. Okay. Okay. We're open. Okay. So let's get this. Okay. Try to focus this. Okay. The key. Let's put some caution. The caution I'm using is a filler gauge. I believe it's a 0.3 millimeter. So in order to open this, I got this. You have to push. You have to push this the pin on the back of the lock. That last pin is the one holding the lock, so it keeps the lock from sliding out. Just kind of difficult to get the shim inside. Yeah, you push the pin. Come on. Okay, it's in. Okay, we're in. Okay. Plug follower. Check here. Okay. Okay. See here. Okay. Pin number 1. Standard one. I think that master pin is from the uh, second chamber. Okay. Number 2 is also standard. Number 3 is also a standard. Number 4, master pin. And a standard key pin. Okay. And lastly, number 5 is also a standard. Okay. Okay, let's check the driver pin. Number 1 is a standard driver pin. Number 2 is also standard. Number 3, one just flown off. Number 4, standard pin. Number 5 is also standard. And number 6, I think this is a untried drill pin. This is a steel pin. This is the one who holds the lock in here. You can see. So the other driver pin. The number 3 driver slot have 2 driver pin like this, but the one just flown away. Okay, so here you go. Here's the pin. Okay, so dome camlock pick and got. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.